MN1 unpacking. Loosen all cable ties and packing cotton. Mounting the e-bike cap. Retighten the screws. Mounting the front tire. Take off the screw strip. Mounting this into the tire and retighten screws of both sides. Get the screw strip into the front fork. At last, lock the screws of both sides. Mounting the front fender and lamp. Lock the fender and lamp with screw. Retighten the screws of both sides. Mounting the display. Lock the display and tap with the loosened screws. Mounting the basket. Mounting the pedals. Mounting the cup holder. Lock the cup holder to the frame with these screws. Flip up the seat. Take off the keys. You could lock or unlock the battery with the key. E-bike folding.